How to change name in Facebook Lite. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your name in Facebook Lite application. So first thing first, simply head over to your Facebook Lite application, and once you're inside here, make sure you are logged in with your account and just click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and just click on it. And once you click on it, you need to head over to the settings option over here inside settings and privacy, as you can see, and simply click on settings. So once you click on settings, just click on this account center, and when you click on account center, just click on this profile and again click on your Facebook name, and from over here you will see the option called name, and just like that you can change your name from over here and simply replace your name with anything that you want to keep. And just remember that if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So make sure you think out your name correctly, and simply once you change the name, simply click on this review change option over here, and then it's done. So that is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.